You know that was my hairbrush? You don't even care, do you? Hey. Why are you breaking my stuff up? Here goes Nico. You just break up mommy's stuff and throw it away. You break my stuff up. Yes, you did. That was my hairbrush. This was my hairbrush. You broke it. You might as well keep it now. Can't have nothing around you. Nothing at all. You just like breaking up stuff. Oh, and then throw it away. Oh, you done with that. Broke it up. You don't want it anymore. You did break it. Say sorry to mama. Say sorry I break your stuff. All your stuff. Go break your stuff. Whatever. Brett. Yeah, you're a pretty bird.